Hi guys, welcome to your video lecture. Today you are going to be going on your own and doing some research. It's another choice board activity, so this is an either or. You can pick which one you want to do. I'll explain them both briefly, and then I'll be available via Zoom if you need any help. Okay, so here's what we got. Remember, choice board activity means that you can do either or. It doesn't really matter to me. Both of them accomplish the same task. You're digging more into the oceans. So we have our ocean task cards. The first one is similar to your properties of water stations. This is the same type of thing. You've got a bunch of different stations you have to do. Read the instructions, answer the questions, and then some of them are readings, others of them are in exploring. You use a website for that. The website is linked on here. And then you've got to watch it and research it as well. Sorry, I'm eating lunch. You fill this out as you go through them. I would suggest doing watch it, explore it, and read it before you read it and research it before you do the assess it and write it, just so that you know what you're doing before you take a test on it. Just a suggestion, you'll write your answers in here and then submit it to Canvas. Or you can do a research presentation. So you can choose one of these 9 topics. Doesn't matter which one you do to me, or it doesn't matter which one you do to me, doesn't really matter. All of them, again, get you to dig a little bit deeper into into the oceans. You're welcome to try and do, so if you pick coral reefs, it's got a topic, or for whichever one you decide to pick, it's got a topic on there, some questions that you have to answer, but you can decide however you want to present it. So you could do a video recording if you wanted and turn that in of you presenting the material. You could do a Google Slides, you could make a pamphlet, you could write a poem about it as long as it answered the question, you could draw a picture about it as long as it answered the question. I suggest if you do some piece of art, you explain how it answers this research question or the research that inspired the art. But again, however you decide to present the material is fine with me as long as you are presenting it. I'll make sure that you can turn in a video file in case you want to do a video. Do that now. Otherwise, that's all. If you have any questions, please let me know via email or show up at the Zoom. Have a great day, guys.